sinapractice mo? Ang dami. Ano yan?
Alam ko na ito ang sarap nito.
Ano ba yan?
Kakainin ko ito palagi. Masarap ito.
O sige.
Masarap ito.
Apo. Ito ko muna, mamaya na.
Nag-practice dun sa school ng ng The Three Little Kittens.
The tree. O ano ka? Sabi mo, i-recite mo nga. Sige nga.
The three little kittens,
Ah.
they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens? You lost mittens. Then you shall have no eye. Meow, meow, meow. Then you shall have no eye. Pangalawa naman. The three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, that we put on their mittens. You see, andun kasi sa English.
Ang galing ah. Galing mo dun ah. Na-memorize mo yun. Haba nyo na. Oo.
Daddy, kunin ko muna.
Alin po?
Kita masaya.
Alin? Hindi, nakita ko na yun. Yung kulay white. Yung papel, yung color white. Nakita ko na yun dati. Jen! Jen! Oo, nakita ko na nga yan. Oo nga, nakita ko na dati yan last week.
Sabi nito,
Ano pa rin costume mo? Asan na?
pusa.
Asan na?
May buntot daw dito eh.
Nakita mo na?
Tsaka may headband ako dito.
Oo.
Headband o towel. Gagawin yung towel pa pusa.
Oh, ang galing.
Walang ganito.
Alam balbas?
Buntot, tsaka tsaka black scissor. Tsaka sir, the three little kittens by Mother Goose. The three little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kitten. Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. Then you shall have no pie. The three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see her, for we have found our mittens. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Oh, let us have some pie. kittens, they wash their mittens and hang them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, do you not hear that we have washed our mittens? What? Wash your mittens? They won't put kitten, but I smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, meow. We smell a rat close by.
Ang galing. Ang galing mo naman.
Aba,
Oo nga.
diba?
Ilan kayong cut niyan?
Huh?
Ilan po kayong cut sa mga
Boys
classmate mo?
habang girls.
Ha?
Boys habang girls.
Ilan ang girls na cut?
11 kaming girls.
Ay, yung boys.
Ewan ko, Daddy. Hindi ko na alam. Dami.
Baka naman sila dog. Yung mga boys dog naman sila.
Hindi kasi. Dapat black sila eh.
Oo.
Kami yellow. Tapos
Nabili ka na ng costume.
yung ano lang. Yung black t-shirt. Meron akong black t-shirt. Tapos ano. Tsaka yung gano'n. Yung may sungay ka.
Galing.
Tenga.
Opo.
Wala nang buntot eh. Dapat na may buntot. Gagawin pa namin.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko to wawaliin.
Si Yaya yung dapat.
Andun na si Yaya Ingat.
Saan?
Dali siya, dumating na si Yaya
Kinis ka
Ingat.
niya.
Naglata ako. May ano din siya, may package sa akin. Pero matagal pa.
Kailan daw? Baka naman February pa.
Ha?
Sa February darating o January?
Pagdating na daw uli,
Mm-mm.